You walk into a gym, you look around, and you see 40 machines that all resemble some sort of medieval torture device, and you think to yourself, I have no idea what I'm doing. This can be overwhelming, and it's one of the biggest obstacles that keeps people from gaining enough momentum to actually stay consistent. But here's the part that nobody tells you. It was never about the equipment. You're not failing because you don't know what a Smith machine is. You're failing because you're hell-bent on trying to do this on your own, but you also don't want to end up going viral on a gym meme.
There's just so much to figure out.
A coach can help you navigate those waters and keep yourself off the latest influencer reel. That's the job. We take your body, your goals, your injuries, your weird schedule, that whole mess, and we make a plan out of it. You don't need to know how to use everything just to get started. You need someone who can guide you through the next step without you feeling ridiculous. Now, I know what you're thinking because I hear this every week. You could just look it up on YouTube and do the exercises yourself. And you can. You could also do your own dental work with a handheld mirror and a YouTube channel. Let me know how that goes. Here's the issue.
Let's fix that squat. Widen your stance.
A video can't see you. A video doesn't know that your knees are caving in and your heels are coming off the floor when you squat. A video can't tell you that your low back is doing 80% of the work on a deadlift. You don't need more information. I'd argue that you need less of it. Too much information is what's keeping you from taking action. You need feedback. You need connection with a real human. If you're looking for more AI involvement, we are not your flavor. When you start working with a real coach, the guessing stops. And I mean a real coach, not someone with a weekend trainer certification giving away free trials at a big box gym. You'll have a plan. You'll walk in and know exactly what you're doing. You'll know what exercises you're doing for your body. You'll know how many sets, how many reps, and how much weight you should use for those exercises. Most importantly, you'll know why. And you'll stop using machines or exercises that aren't going to move the needle. You'll stop hurting yourself because someone on TikTok told you that you should be doing Bulgarian split squats with 40-pound dumbbells on day one. Everybody knows that's a day 2 exercise, and it should be 80-pound dumbbells. If you missed it, that was sarcasm. Do not do that. When you work with a quality coach, you'll get stronger and you'll stop dreading the gym because for the first time, you'll actually walk in with a plan. It's not magic. It's just having the right person in the room. It's the same reason you hire a CPA instead of doing your own taxes with a shoebox of receipts. It's not that you couldn't figure it out with enough time. It's that you're busy and your time is worth more than the learning curve. So if you've been standing in the middle of a big box gym, pretending to look at your phone while you figure out which machine is the least scary, stop. You don't need to figure it out alone. You shouldn't have to. At No Limits Fitness, we work with busy professionals, engineers, executives, and entrepreneurs, people who are busy and don't have the time to figure everything out on their own. They want somebody to write the plan for them and hold them accountable to getting it done. We have 2 locations in Brevard County, one in West Melbourne and one in Suntree. Book a free consultation. You'll receive a free in-body scan, our nutrition guide, and a solid game plan on how to achieve your goals, whether you decide to train with us or not. Click the link below to book your free intro. Stop guessing, start training, and above all, stay out of gym memes.